So today I'm at my in-laws house and we are going to be doing some demo on this bathroom that I'm going to remodel for them. Here's a look at the bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom, just a little bit dated. So got some more done in the bathroom. I'll show you what I've got, where we're at right now. Everything is off the floor. There was a ton of staples. Clean up the walls, got some spackle over the areas that damaged the drywall when we were pulling the vanity out. Took all the lights out. On the walls, the medicine cabinet, we're gonna put a different one in there. All the trim pieces and towel rack holders and everything's off the wall, and trim's off the bottom of the door as well. And the register is out. So while I'm waiting for all the spackle to dry so that I can paint the walls, I'm going to take some measurements for the hardy backer so that I can cut that out and get that ready to drop in where the toilet goes. It's really the only cutout I got in this floor. It's pretty simple. So we're going to get started on that. Oh yeah, I forgot. I painted the ceiling. So we got a nice coat of white paint up on the ceiling, and once that dries, then hopefully I'll have the hardy backer done. The spackle will all be dry so I can paint the walls, and then get started on installing the hardy backer. So I drew out all the measurements for the stuff I need to cut over here. Alright, so I finished painting the room. I'll show you guys what it looks like now. It's got colors called Notre Dame. It's gray with some green in it. I obviously took the white out, put a new one in. So, did white on the ceiling. It's kind of tough to see in the camera, but just a flat ceiling white, and then some of the last Notre Dame on the walls. Everything looks good. I'm about ready to get the hardy backer in. So, got the flange hole for the toilet seat, as well as the water line cut in there. Gonna turn the water off. Take the valve off of that. Get rid of that ugly gold colored trim piece. And check the fit of the hardy backer, and then start putting it down with the mortar. I've also got these valves that I've got to replace once we get the new vanity in. That'll be